Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Onix Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a complete starter set ideal for beginners and recreational players. It includes 2 paddles, 3 balls, and a durable carry bag, making it a convenient option for anyone looking to get into the game or play casually with friends. The paddles in this bundle feature a G4 graphite face, known for its lightweight and responsive touch, allowing players to enjoy a good mix of control and power. The polymer rev core inside the paddle is engineered for consistent feel, reduced vibration, and improved ball control, suiting both beginners and intermediate players. This core material is quiet and well cushioned, which also makes it suitable for noise-restricted communities. Ergonomically, the paddles are designed with ultra-comfort grips to reduce fatigue during extended play. Their light to mid-weight design enhances maneuverability and reduces strain on the wrist and arm. Designed in the USA by Selkirk, a reputable name in pickleball equipment, the paddles reflect quality construction and user-friendly performance. The bundle includes 3 outdoor pickleball balls that are durable and high visibility, suitable for casual or practice use. The carry bag makes transportation and organization easy, rounding out this package as a great value for new players or those looking for an all-in-one set. Overall, the Selkirk Latitude bundle offers quality materials, thoughtful design, and good performance ideal for new and casual players seeking a reliable, affordable entry into pickleball. Number 2. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is a popular, high-performance pickleball paddle designed for players who want a balanced mix of power, control, and maneuverability. Crafted with a graphite carbon fiber face and a no-mix honeycomb core, the Z5 delivers a responsive feel and consistent pop, making it ideal for both recreational and competitive players. One of the key highlights of the Mod Z5 is its lightweight design, typically around 7.5 to 8.2 ounces, allowing for quick reactions at the net and agile court movement. Despite its lightweight construction, it maintains excellent power due to the stiffness of the graphite surface. The wide body shape offers a large sweet spot, helping players make clean, controlled shots even under pressure. The paddle features a cushion comfort grip, which is soft, tacky, and absorbs sweat, promoting a secure hold and reducing vibration. This makes extended play more comfortable and reduces fatigue. The grip size is standard, about 4.25 inch, fitting most hand sizes comfortably. USAPA approved for sanctioned tournaments, the Z5 is designed in the USA and has become one of the most widely used paddles among intermediate and advanced players. Its classic design, vibrant color options, and reliable performance make it a top choice in the market. Whether you're a seasoned player seeking precision or a beginner aiming for consistency, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is a dependable paddle that delivers versatility, comfort, and game-enhancing performance. Number 3. Joola Essential Pickleball. The Joola pickleball paddle with a reinforced fiberglass surface and honeycomb polypropylene core is designed to provide beginners and casual players with an optimal mix of control, comfort, and durability. Known for its lightweight and responsive build, this paddle is USA Pickleball approved, making it suitable for recreational play and entry-level tournaments. The fiberglass surface offers a good blend of touch and power, allowing players to place accurate shots while maintaining enough pop for powerful returns. It's more forgiving than carbon fiber, making it ideal for new players who are still developing their technique. The honeycomb polypropylene core further enhances this soft feel by dampening vibrations, providing a smooth playing experience that minimizes strain on the arm and wrist. A key comfort feature is the ergonomic, cushioned grip, designed to reduce fatigue and improve control during long games. It absorbs sweat efficiently, ensuring a slip-free hold even in hot or humid conditions. The standard grip size fits most players comfortably. The paddle features a wide body shape, giving it a large sweet spot that helps with off-center shots and improves shot consistency. Its balanced design supports controlled play at the net while still being responsive enough for quick volleys and dinks. Available in multiple vibrant color options, this Joola paddle not only performs well but also looks stylish on the court. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for beginners or casual players looking for a reliable, user-friendly paddle that offers solid performance, comfort, and value.